today's hands-on lab, we are going to investigate DNS response codes using wireshark. This is an important SOC investigation topic because DNS response codes help analysts identify successful DNS communication, failed DNS requests, suspicious DNS activity, and DNS related infrastructure problems. So let's begin. Okay, now I will open wireshark and put run as administrator. I will open the interface related with my virtual machine bus, whichever interface if you want. You can select the it listed here. You can select what you which interface you want to open. So I will open VMnet 8 because my virtual machine interface number is that. So double click it and I open it. Okay. At this moment, Wireshark starts capturing live network traffic. Now we will apply here. This means DNS. So if you want only DNS traffic, then top filter bar type DNS. I display only DNS query packet related with. Okay, I will open my virtual machine and put the command ns lookup google.com. So now we will observe this detail in my wireshark. So the first one is two types of um, output we are getting, response and query. So this is the query packet. The second one is response packet. I will open DNS query. Another one is first one is DNS query and the another one is response. So you can what type of query is what type of packet is this, you can understand here. Domain name system. So this is the response one, and if it displays query. So this is the query one. This is the query, and this is called response. It provides the output based on the details. Now we will investigate response codes. So I will click collapse domain name system and click flags. So here you can see no error, 0, no error. It means the DNS server successfully resolved the requested domain. The client requested the IP address of google.com and the DNS server returned the answer successfully. Okay. Now let us generate invalid DNS traffic. So I open my virtual machine and put the command abcd some domain name here and put enter here. So immediately you can get the response that NX domain here. In Wireshark we move so this is the response one, and you can see there are no such name or 3. Okay, as a SOC analyst you want to know the specifically for NX domain detailed informations. So for that, what you want to do, so go to filter and put DNS flags response code number 3 and press enter. So you can now Wireshark displays only NX domain packet. So SOC Now let us discuss another important. When you click, you can understand the details about the NX domain, simply called non-existent domain, or here you can see reply code, no such name, so 3. Okay, the one more important response called server fail. Server fails means the DNS server failed while processing the request. Unlike NX domain, this does not mean the domain is invalid. Instead, it means the DNS server encountered a problem while resolving the request. This may happen because of upstream DNS failures, timeout issues, forwarding problems, DNS infrastructure issues. SOC analysts sometimes observe server fail response during network outages or DNS server failures. Now let us another important response code called refused. Refused means the DNS server refused to answer the queries. When it usually happens because of security restrictions, disabled recursion, DNS access policies, unauthorized clients. Unlike server fail, the DNS server itself is functioning correctly. The server is intentionally denying the request. SOC analysts may investigate refused responses during policy violations or suspicious DNS activity. Today we learn how to capture DNS traffic using wireshark, how to investigate DNS response packets, how to identify no errors responses, how NX domain traffic appears, and the basic details about server fail and refused responses work. In the next video, we will continue with the advanced DNS traffic investigations and suspicious DNS behavior in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.